moniker link. We have a CVE from 2024 with this ID. And today we are doing it. It's part of the exploitation basics room in TryHackMe and part of cybersecurity 101 path. Task number 1, introduction. On February 13th, 2024, Microsoft announced the Microsoft Outlook RCE and credential leak vulnerability with the assigned CVE of our ID. Moniker link. Hi-Fi Lee of Checkpoint Research is credited with discovering the vulnerability. The vulnerability bypass Outlook security mechanisms when handling a specific type of hyperlink known as a moniker link. An attacker can abuse this by sending an email that contains a malicious moniker link to a victim, resulting in Outlook sending the user's NTLM credentials to the attacker once the hyperlink is clicked. Details relating to the scoring of the vulnerability have been provided in the table below. Let's copy this and paste it here and go straight here. Critical, it's a 9.8 critical base score. Here you can also see it in Microsoft. You can read more about it. Impact, remote code execution, credential leak, right? Severity is critical, the attack complexity is low, and 9.8 is the score. The vulnerability is known to affect the following Office releases, right? Affected from, and we can see them here, known effective software. Over here, learning objectives, how the vulnerability works, understand Outlook's protect view using the vulnerability to leak credentials from an Outlook client, and then detection and mitigation measures. Starting the virtual machine. Note that will need both the attack box and the vulnerable machine attack to this challenge. To deploy the virtual machine, press then this button. To start the machine, show split view. Here we see credentials for RDP. We go inside Windows. Deploy both the attack box. All right, answer the questions below. What severity ranking has the CVE been assigned? Severity, critical. Base score, critical. So